Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and we've got another product to preview. First though, you're getting two videos. First is just the unboxing, and there will be a coupon code for this in the description box below the video. Okay, so let's get to unboxing my new meat grinder. Okay, so this meat grinder is by a company, now please, I really hope I'm saying this, AOBOSI? No, that's a B. AOBOSI meat grinder. This says it has a powerful 800 watt motor, maximum 3000 watts, full metal gears and gearbox, 3 pieces of stainless steel grinding plates, on off, reverse function, and a 10-inch feeding tube with a large AL tray. So, and there's the little, can't really see it, but there's the little picture of it. So let's, I already took it out of the big box that it came in. Okay. Well, it's beautifully packaged. Oh, Gracie's here to see if there's anything for her. Wow. That is, very, here's our parts. It doesn't feel as smooth as mine, but here is one of your grinding plates. There is a blade. Set that there. Whoops. This is the feeding tube that goes into here. Of course, there's that. Now, I don't know how much these go for, but I know I bought a Sam Bear meat grinder, I don't know how many years, I got it for Christmas. This is really lightweight. And our plunger. Okay, is there anything else in here we need to know about besides the instructions? Always read the instructions. Okay. So let's have a look at this. I need an extension cord. Well, I don't need an extension cord because I'm going to be doing nice, powerful suction cups. Really nice, powerful suction cups. Let's see how easily this comes together. Gracie just stole. See, you always put the long end down into the hole. Then your blade goes down over this nut. Now, it said there were 2 grinding discs, and there is slots for this to go in. And then this just screws down over, just like that. And then, how does this? All right, I might be missing some parts. Hang on a second. Oh, goodness. They don't tell you that underneath the styrofoam are all these parts. Okay. So if you order this and it comes like this, flip that over because there is, wow, what kind of cutting wheel is that? We're gonna have to look at that. Look at that. Can you guys even see? I'm not sure what kind of cutting wheel that is, but then there is the big one that was in it. A finer thread, or a finer extruding blade. Different size sausage funnels. This is all pretty standard. This, all right, what are you? Okay, once your sausage meat is ground, here is your extruders. Okay. Now, I'm assuming that this goes in, whoop, let's tighten you down. This goes in like this, and then this. It's not even listed on the parts. So I don't know what this is for. Meat tray goes on. There's our plunger. And there it is. Now, I'm sorry if I am not pronouncing this correctly. Install Kindle blade correctly. Okay, so yeah, there's the reverse, the on, the off. It all looks like a pretty good standard meat grinder. But next week, because today's Friday, next week I'm going to be putting it through its paces. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and there's the unboxing of the AOBOSI, I think it's AOBOSI, AOBOSI meat grinder. Look in the link below for a 10% coupon code. But wait till after I put it through its paces next week. Take care, God bless.